So when you're here on your first visit, I might recommend to you x-rays. X-rays are made to rule out any pathologies, fractures, or tumors. I want to make sure you haven't broken anything, and I can better evaluate your condition so we can treat you the most professional way possible for the long-term betterment of your health. Oftentimes, I'm looking at a biomechanical imbalance between the right hip and the left hip. I'm looking at the disc interspaces in the lower back from L1 to L5. So let me put this in more layman's terms. When you're bending over carrying something or you're lifting a heavy bag, it helps me evaluate the condition of your spine to confirm if something's crunched together or if you have one hip higher than the other hip or one leg shorter, and we're looking at any type of biomechanical or types of imbalances in the spine. And then we provide a long-term care plan for the patient to get the patient out of pain, to rebalance the spine again, and to have a long-term commitment to the better health of that patient.